So making your own mayonnaise only requires a few ingredients, and although it takes a little bit of time and patience, it's well worth it in the end. So in the bowl I've got 2 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And what we're going to do is we're just going to whisk them together until they're completely combined. And now what we're going to do is we need 250 milliliters of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You could use sunflower oil or any kind of light oil. Don't use olive oil because it will ruin the taste. Now put your oil into a measuring jug, because what we want to do is we just want to add a small drop of oil and then whisk until it's completely combined. We don't want to put all the oil in at once because it will split it. And just a drop and then whisk that in. And then what we want to do is we want to keep continuing adding just a drop of oil until it starts to thicken, and just whisk each time. I'm just adding a drop at a time until it starts to thicken, and if you have someone with you, you can get them to pour the oil drop at a time while you whisk it. Just need to be very careful at this stage that we don't add too much. As you can see, it's starting to thicken a little now, so a few more drops and then we'll be able to add a little bit more each time. As you can see now, it's also starting to lighten in colour, and I can feel it getting a bit thicker now, but I'm still going to do it a drop at a time because you want to be careful you don't want to add too much, as it will split the mayonnaise. But as you can see, it's thickening up now, we're not too far off. So I'm going to start adding a little bit more at a time now. So I've still got a fair bit of oil left, but as you can see, it's starting to thicken up now, and it's getting closer to the consistency we need. We're just going to continue to add just a bit at a time and giving it a good mix. Okay, so you can now see how lovely and thick it is and resembles the consistency of mayonnaise. So what we're going to do now is we have just got 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. That are just going to be added into the mixture. You could use a lemon juice as well if you don't have white wine vinegar. So we're just going to add that in. And then we're just going to whisk that in. And there you have it, and that's your mayonnaise made. And like I say, it takes a bit of patience, but it only needs a few ingredients. But there you go, lovely thick and creamy mayonnaise. And there you have it, lovely and thick creamy mayonnaise. I hope you'll give it a go yourself.